390 Wagon Master here. Alright, you guys, so I did an unboxing video here just a minute ago, but I messed it up, so this is what you get. Anyway, this is an already opened unmailing / unboxing video. So what I wanted to show you guys, now I've never dealt with this guy business-wise, and I know some of you guys, or a lot of you guys have, and I've heard nothing but good things about this guy. But what I was doing is I was looking for a replacement meter for a 148, and the Cobra 29 meters work as well. But I went on eBay, because that's generally where I like to buy a lot of this stuff. And anyway, this guy, Rooster's radio connection, you ever heard of that dude? He had the best deal on these things overall. Everybody's asking outrageous prices for these, and these are Workman C29 meters, and I like these because, you know, like, they're fresh. The plastic's nice and white colored. It's just they're nice. The only thing is the auction here says it's an LED, and this is just an incandescent bulb. But that's okay. This is a sweet meter, and I like that look anyway. So either way. And I don't really remember even seeing an option for incandescent, because generally when I find a deal on meters, I'll get a couple of each. I'm old school. I like it to look like that, right? And that's what that's going to look like when it's all said and done. Now, when you get this meter with the white LED, it really makes this white background and the surrounding area pop out. But anyway, yeah, these little C29 meters are great for 148s, DX radios. They all have the 3 bars, or the rows like they should, in the proper areas, and then the hump is up here on the top. So anyway, yeah, like I say, I got this from Rooster's radio connection. There's no payoff or nothing involved in this. Just trying to show you guys, like, a good deal out there, because so many people just charging outrageous prices. And I appreciate a guy that sells stuff like this, because at these kind of prices, I know there's, you know, eBay's not fun to sell on anymore because of the seller pricing and all that. But this is one of those good deals that I appreciate. So I'll probably click back and order a few more. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a good one.